Hello everyone and welcome to a new tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to fix Valorant connection error code VAL43. It's very easy. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and please, before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First of all, you should make sure that you have closed down any instance of Valorant, and to do that, open your task manager by right clicking on this taskbar, then choose task manager and look for anything that is related to Valorant from here, or you can click on details and look for anything that is related to Valorant, maybe Riot Client or Valorant. After finding anything related to Valorant, just click on it, then tap on end task. And if you didn't find anything related to Valorant, just close the tab, then go to the search and type percentage app data percentage. Then click on enter. After opening this file, go back to app data, then local, then here you should find raid games file. I have found it. Just click on it, double click, then go to Riot Client, config, and here you should delete this file right here, Riot Client settings.yaml. Right click on it, then delete. After deleting the file, go back to app data, then local, and now you have to search for Valorant. Then open Valorant file, then go to saved, then go to config, crash report client, then you should delete all the items here in this file. You may find more than one item, but here in my case I have only found one item. So after deleting all the items in this file, go back to saved, then go to logs and delete all the files here in this folder, then close everything and go back to your desktop. Now you have to go to the search bar, then type services, then tap on it, and here you should look for VGC. After finding it, right click on it, then properties. After opening properties, choose automatic here from this bar right here, then click on apply, and after clicking on apply, press on start. It will show you a loading screen. Just wait till it's finished, then close all the tabs right here, then go back to your desktop, then go to the search bar again and type command prompt, then click on run as administrator. You should type the following command that I'm gonna type right now, and it will be shown on the screen in front of you right now. Then type niche windsock reset, then enter. After showing you this message right here, you should type the next command, and it also will be shown on the screen. You should type ip config space, then slash flush DNS, then click on enter. As you can see here, it shows me this message, and after seeing this message you can close this window. And last thing to do is to restart your computer by going to this option right here and click on restart. It's very simple and easy. And after restarting, check if the game is working well and if the error has been solved. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in another tutorial.